All right, we're going to do a quick video on replacing the Fordson Major cross shaft seals. These are the rubber seals that stop the oil leaking out around the cross shaft that holds the clutch and the brake. Pretty easy job. They are still readily available. We'll quickly go through it. So I would suggest clean up around the lip. You want as few of obstructions as possible, and then just get a solid screwdriver or wedge. Just see that, and make sure you pull it out on all sides. Just like that. Pop out easy. Now, when you do pop them out, you're going to want to make sure you clean this up really nicely. To put it back in, you just get a rubber mallet or a wooden mallet and tap it evenly around back in. Now, on the other side was one of the original steel banded rubber seals that looked a lot like that. We tried pulling it, heating it, cooling it, everything to get it out, and it was not going to move. In the end, we had to tap out the inside against this edge here, get it out far enough that we could get a little Dremel in to cut it, very fine. And then we were able to get it out a little bit more, and then we had to tap it with a chisel to bend it in on itself, and then we were able to pop it out. You've got to be really careful. You don't damage this lip around here or around the center. As you can see, this was full of dirt. The rubber had perished. A no-brainer that the oil was going to leak out of there. So, well, it was a little disappointing to have to wreck the old steel banded one. Had to come out, had to get it replaced. And you saw how easy that rubber one came in and out. For future replacement, going to be a whole lot easier. Now, I bought online some replacement seals. Got here really quick, really excited, until that happened. Not the right outer diameter. Inner diameter, perfect. Fits on the shaft. It's a snug seal, nothing to get through it. But unfortunately, despite being advertised for a Fordson Major, doesn't fit. So I'm going to go to my local bearing supplier. There's a few in town near where I live. Now that I've got the old one out, I've got some part numbers on it still. I'll go get one that I know is exactly going to fit. Like I said, disappointing that something branded for a Fordson didn't fit. So it did technically fit the cross shaft, but just didn't fit the seal housing on the rear casing. Disappointing. I would have liked to replace it and have that shaft back in tonight, but not to be. A lot of other things could have gone wrong. If that's it, I'm happy. And that's really the first disappointing online purchase I've had. I've got a lot of other parts online from reputable suppliers. Could have just been one of those things. But anyway, that's a quick video on replacing the cross shaft seals. Hope this helps someone. Enjoy.